Hi crafters, I'm Janet from 234 Adore. This 3-minute video will show you how to use a clover pom-pom maker to make these trendy pom-pom hairbands. You'll need a pom-pom maker, yarn, a 15-inch length of cut yarn, sharp pointy scissors, hairbands, and jewelry glue. Open the arms of the pom-pom maker. Wind the yarn once around one of the side slots. This will hold the yarn in place. Begin winding around the first arm. Keep winding until it's full. Do the same to fill up the other arm, and then cut off. Close the arms. Now it's time to do some cutting. Look for the middle channel on the arm. Cut along the channel on one side, and then do the same on the other side. Take your 15-inch length of cut yarn and wrap it around the channel. Pull tightly and then tie a square knot. Open the arms, grab the tails, and then pull apart. Remove the pom-pom from the pom-pom maker. Cut off any excess yarn until your pom-pom has a nice shape. We'll use a half-hitch knot to attach the pom-pom to the rubber band. Pull the tail through the middle of the rubber band and tie a half-hitch knot by passing the tail over and then under the rubber band and pass through the loop. Pull to tighten. The first half-hitch knot is complete. Continue until you have 5 knots. Do the same with the other tail. Apply glue to the last knot on each side. Let dry, and then carefully trim off the remaining tails. I hope you found this instruction helpful. If so, please follow me for more great DIY projects. Enjoy!